Hey everyone! Last time we looked at 5 common grammar mistakes English learners make. Today, we're back with part 2, 5 more common mistakes that learners make and how to fix them. Let's get started. Our first mistake is about plural nouns. Plural means there is more than one, and some learners forget to add s. For example, learners say, I have a lot of toy, but we should say, I have a lot of toys. Remember, most nouns take s in the plural. Book to books, car to cars, toy to toys. Let's see some examples.
I have 2 books. I have 2 books.
The girls are beautiful. The girls are beautiful.
And sometimes learners add s when they shouldn't. For example, the plural of child is children, not childs. We say 2 people, not peoples. So here's the rule. Most nouns form plurals with s, but watch out for irregular plurals like children, feet, mice, and words that are uncountable like advice, furniture, information. These never take s.
Okay, quiz time. 2 answers are correct. Can you spot them? That's right. It's A and D.
Mistake number 2, using a, an, and the. Many learners forget them or use them incorrectly. A, an, and the mean one, and we use them before the noun.
We use an with nouns that begin with a vowel, and we use a with nouns that begin with a consonant.
A and an is for singular, general things, and the is when the listener already knows which thing you're talking about, or when it's unique. Let's check it out.
I have an apple. I have an apple.
This is cat. This is a cat.
Time for a quiz. Which 2 answers are correct? Good job. It's B and C.
The next mistake is fun versus funny. Learners often confuse them and use them incorrectly. Fun means enjoyable. Funny means it makes you laugh. Let's see how it works.
The holiday was funny. The holiday was fun.
My dad makes me laugh. He is very fun. My dad makes me laugh. He is very funny.
So remember, fun, enjoyable, and funny, something that makes you laugh. Don't confuse them. Mistake number 4, forgetting the verb to be. Learners often say things like,
I smart.
or things like,
She funny.
In English, adjectives and nouns usually need the verb to be. Without it, the sentence sounds broken. Let's practice.
My mom's sad. My mom is sad.
They, students. They are students.
Okay, let's try an exercise. Choose the correct answer. I tired or I am tired? Correct. I am tired. The flowers pretty, the flowers are pretty, or the flowers is pretty? That's right. The flowers are pretty.
And the 5th mistake is confusing come and go. Use come when the movement is towards the speaker or listener. Use go when the movement is away to another place. I know the explanation is a little confusing, but hopefully this can help you. So, you go to school in the morning, but your mom may tell you to come home. Let's see some more examples.
I am coming to the market. I am going to the market.
Can you go to my house tonight? Can you come to my house tonight?
Okay, let's review. In the plural, we add s to most nouns except for irregular plurals like children and feet. We use a, un, and the before nouns when talking about one. Fun means enjoyable, and funny means it makes you laugh. We use to be with most nouns and adjectives. And finally, come and go are used depending on the position of the speaker or listener. Come is when the movement is towards the person, and go is when the movement is away to another place. I hope this helped you to avoid common mistakes and help to be more fluent and confident in the future. Which mistake do you make most often? Comment below and let me know. And don't forget to check out part 1 of this series for the first 5 mistakes.